How about a salad full of protein seafood that's going to fill you up but is guilt-free? It is a brilliant way to use a Gotham Steel pan with little to no oil. Let me show you how to make this in a flash and using the right tools of the trade. You may want to check out gothamsteelstore.com because that's where you can get your hands on the pan I'm going to use. So it's a fast track salad niçoise that really is brilliant. Missing a couple ingredients to make it skinny. We've got some beautiful black olives and some salad. And then I've got my classic dressing, which is Dijon mustard. It's got olive oil and it's got a little bit of vinegar. I'm going to dress that up. Add a little bit more later if I want. I'm going to add to that a tiny little bit of rock salt. Season it up. Some tuna with a bit of salt. Drizzle a little bit of oil on the tuna. Then sear that in my Gotham Steel pan. I'm using the hammered that looks beautiful. I'm using the hammered that is so incredible for your kitchen. And I got these shrimp. Look at those, colossal, massive shrimp. Again, season those up. A little bit of salt on those. Oil the food, not the pan, just to get enough for colour. I'll take my tuna and I'll turn it. Look at that, slide around, still getting colour. I'm going to start adding a couple of these shrimp. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. We don't want to cause a steam. So I'm going to do those shrimp in a couple of batches, but they are really meaty shrimp, beautifully done. Turn the heat up and then assemble the salad that fills you up, but there's no potatoes that's in the classic niçoise or anchovies. A lot of people don't love that, but apart from that, we're just adding the shrimp to make it a little bit more of the protein style. Meanwhile, I'm going to take my mini Gotham Steel. I love this pan, it's so cute, but it's perfect for what I want it for now. And that's just to cook one egg. I am going to add a little bit of olive oil on there. I want to get that egg nice and coloured. Our tuna is almost cooked. Look at the colour on this, can I show you? Isn't that fabulous? Nice fresh tuna. Those are almost cooked up. The shrimp are fabulous. Gonna leave that to rest. Crack my egg. I'm gonna leave them to rest. Now the reason I'm doing that is really because I don't want hot shrimp going on the salad because it will wilt it. So those go in there, and look at this little mini egg. Look at it slide around. Isn't that gorgeous? Give it a little bit of a flip. Turn the heat off there. They take about, 30 seconds each side. That's all it is. Our egg. One more little turn. How cute is that pan? Are you not loving it? I'm gonna leave that to rest for a second. Cool my pan off. Show you how easy it is to get a clean pan in a second. Back in my cupboard. And these shrimp are almost done. I'm going to turn it off, assemble the salad. I may add a couple of shrimp after. So a nice big piece of tuna there. A couple of beautiful shrimp here. A couple of beautiful shrimp there. Egg goes just on top. And there you got a beautiful salad niçoise with a little twist. I hope you like it. So that is a seafood salad that you can make anytime. It will fill you up. It tastes brilliant. And guess what? You can with a Gotham.